Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a really quick short wig review for you. This is a wig from the brand now watch me watch this, eNilecor, something along those lines. And I recently got this and a bunch of other wigs. I think I might do reviews on them as well. So I wanted to show you guys just this wig and my thoughts on it. This wig retails for $17.69. It has 4.5 out of 5 stars with 108 reviews. And this is a black wig with bangs, and it's kind of fluffy, has like a little crimp pattern to it. And did I mention I got this off of Amazon? I don't know, but I did. And this is what the wig cap looks like, just kind of like a standard wig cap with some adjustable straps and no clips or anything like that. But let me see, what else did I want to mention? Oh yes, the netted wig cap that came with it is actually like a nude color instead of a black. Normally, like a lot of wigs that I get come with like a black netted wig cap, but this one came with a nude one. It doesn't really matter to me, but you know, just in case that matters to you. And this was when I just opened it out of the bag. I mean, the bangs are a little long, so I will end up having to trim them just a little, but I actually prefer longer bangs on a wig to trim instead of ones that are too short and just look bad and you can't do anything about them. And it's right a little longer than shoulder length on me, so I just decided to throw on the wig cap. I didn't braid my hair or anything like that because my hair's not too long at the moment. I mean, it is kind of thick, but I mean, I didn't want to go through the hassle of braiding down my hair and making it more flat, so I just decided to throw on the wig cap, and then I just lifted all my hair and popped it right in the back, and it worked just fine. And then I ended up putting on the wig, and this wig cap, I have a rather large head, and this wig cap was very comfortable. Like the wig itself, the cap of the wig was comfortable on my head. It didn't feel too tight, it didn't feel too loose. However, since I do have a rather large forehead, when I was adjusting it on the sides, you could still see some of my green hair peeking through a little, which kind of almost happens with me on any wig that I have anyway. So this is a wig I probably wouldn't be pulling back because it would show that. But, the bangs are just a tad long, but they're still really pretty length. I didn't mind the length at all, actually. And it has a nice volume to it. It was really soft when I was running my fingers through it to fluff it up. Really soft, didn't really feel like there were any tangles. It didn't really shed at all either, which was also a plus. And I know this video is rather short. Let me know if you would want like wig reviews in the future, because I do have some that I have for cosplays that I got a bunch for my birthday, which was just on the 19th. So I got a bunch of wigs. People know me, they love me. They know I love wigs. And so I got a bunch of wigs, and if you want to see individual reviews on those, just let me know in the comments below. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Oh, I do recommend this wig. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I think it's really cute, and I'll see you in my next one.